Think you need a huge social media following to make money online? You really don't. Instead of chasing likes, you can build systems that work whether you have 10 followers or zero. Let me show you. I'm using ChatGPT and I will type, write a short email that introduces a free checklist for first time home buyers and invites them to download it. And in seconds, it gives me a complete email, subject line, body text, and a call to action. Something I could send out automatically to people who join my list. When you focus on email, search traffic, or simple paid ads, you can start generating income without ever worrying about building a huge audience first. If you want to learn how to set up these kinds of systems step by step, I've dropped a link in the description to the AI Business Builder Challenge. It's a 5-day plan that shows you how to launch a business without relying on followers, social media clout, or going viral. The link is waiting for you in the description if you are ready to dive in.